Hello, teacher. Hello, classmates. I hope you are doing well. This homework is for University Manuela Beltran. English, I am David Ospina. This homework is important events in my life. This homework is composed by three categories. The first one is my favorite vacation. The second one is a challenging situation. The third one is a childhood memory. The first one, I can say my favorite vacation. Where did you go? I went to the beautiful and historical village of Santa Fe de Antioquia. Santa Fe Antioquia is located in the western Antioquia. It's a very hot village. Before it was the capital city of Antioquia. Who did you go with? I was along with my lovely and beautiful girlfriend, and we had really fun there. When was that vacation? This amazing journey was this year. It was about 15 days ago. Sorry, I'm going to talk to you about the images. And all of these images, you can see the Western Bridge. It's a very historical bridge, very old one. It was designed and by the famous engineer, architect Jose Maria Cordoba, and that is the Cauca River. The second category is a challenging situation. What was the situation about? Okay, the situation was about an emergency on the dam in Ituango. There was a landslide on a deviation tunnel. I was working in that big project in Ituango, and it was a very difficult moment for all of us. It was terrible. When did that situation happen? It was in April in the last year, in 2018. How did you feel? I felt very worried. The project was in danger. It's a project with millions of dollars. It was a very big trouble for the project. And finally, the third category is a childhood memory. Okay, the first question. Why was that situation important in your life? Okay, that moment in the swimming pool was very important in my life, because that day our friends and me started to have a closer relationship. It was when we were studying in the high school. It was in a hotel in our village, Liborina, Antioquia. How old were you in that moment? I was around 12 years old in that moment. I was in the first grades of high school. Who were you with? I was with some of best friends and classmates in high school. Okay, we have as a conclusion. Okay, I say that all of those good moments in life makes you feel nice and comfortable and happiness is what we are all looking for. But hard times and difficult situations really build temperament. Okay, that's all for today. See you next. I hope you have a good day. Goodbye. Thank you very much for listening to me, for watching the video.